Hey kids! Are you ready to become times table stars? Today we're learning the amazing, magical, super cool 9 times table. Let's count, sing, and learn together. Let's go! Say it with me. 9 times 1 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. 9 times 2 equals 18. 3 equals 27. 9 times 4 equals 36. 9 times 5 equals 45. 9 times 6 equals 54. 9 times 7 equals 63. 9 times 8 equals 72. 9 times 9 equals 81. 9 times 10 equals 80. 99 times 11 equals 99. 9 times 12 equals 108. Want a cool trick? Watch this. The digits in the answers add up to 9. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 18. 2 plus 7 equals 9. 27. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 36. See magic. Let's try a quick quiz. Can you say the answers before they pop up? What's 9 times 4? That's right, 36. What's 9 times 9? 81 factorial. You're doing great. You did it. You've mastered the 9 times table. Keep practicing, and soon you'll know them all like a math superhero. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun learning videos every week. See you next time.